Dear student, we have to remember this. These types of theorems and postulates are teach now in previous classes. Then first remember this. Number one, there is a ABC is the inscribed angle and intersected by R ABC. The measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc intersected by it. That is the theorem of important theorem for the solving the examples. That is measure angle ABC is equal to half measure arc ADC. Second types, there are two chords AB and CD are intersect at point in inner the circle. Then measure angle AEC. These types of angles and these angles are vertically opposite angles. There are both angles, angle AEC and angle BED are congruent. Then find out the angle AEC or BED. For solving the examples, AEC or measure angle BED, there is a one formula. Now this half measure are AC, intersected measure are AC, and another plus measure are BD or DB. Then another types of angles, this adjacent angles, angle CED or angle AED, both are vertically opposite angles are congruent, or measure angle AED is equal to half measure RAD, half measure RAD plus measure RCD. That is the second, remember this. And third is there are two rays. There is a one point intersect at outside the circle. Then first ray is AB and another ray is CD. Both are secant, and then outside the intersect at point E. Then AB and CD is a chords. Then we have to find angle BED is equal to half measure RBD. Then intersected R, measure this angle intersected by R. Two R's, that is BD and AC. The measure angle BED is equal to measure R BD minus measure R AC. This types of postulate the solving the example for exercise. Then number 4, theorem of angle between tangent and secant. Previous classes we have to study now. There are three types of circle. Then first the secant is, there is the secant A, B and C. AB is the secant and BC is the tangent. Then the AB is now passes through the center of the circle M, and then measure angle ABC is equal to half measure R. This is the ADB, measure R ADB. Then we have to find now the measure R ADB. This is a measure angle ABC. Here the second types of consider now there is the second types of circle. In circle the secant is inner the center and outside the center in the third diagram. Then angle ABC is equal to half measure RADB. Then third types of proof now angle ABC is equal to half measure RADB. Then we have to find a theorem of angle between tangent and secant. Then fifth number of theorems of chords intersecting inside the circle. Then we have to find a chords. There are divide the chords. That is the AB is the chord, divides now AE and EB. Then CD is the chord, divides now C and D. And intersect at point is the inner the circle. The AE multiplied by EB, CE multiplied by DE. There is a theorem of chords inside the circle. Another types of chords now AB and CD intersect at point outside the circle. Theorem of chord intersection outside the circle. Then AE multiplied by EB is equal to CE multiplied by ED. There is a seventh number of theorem that is known as tangent segment theorem. There is a AB is a secant and ED is the tangent. EB, you know the rays of EB. EB is the secant intersect at point A and B on the circle, and ED is the tangent intersect at point T. Then theorem of tangent secant segments, that is EA multiplied by EB is equal to ET square now. Okay. Next one. We have studied now. There are more information for the theorems. Do you know that the practice 3.5 was solving the problem? There is a one circle. In circle there is a PS is the secant and PQ is the tangent. The example, ray PQ touches the circle at point Q. PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 8, and find PS and RS. Then now solution. That is ray PQ is a tangent touches at a point Q given and PS is a secant intersect at a point on circle, that is R and S. Circle R and S is the given now. Then given measure of PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 8, and find PS is equal to question mark and RS is equal to question mark. Do you know the theorem of tangent and secant theorem? Apply tangent secant tangent theorem. We are solving this problem now. Tangent secant theorem is there. PQ square is equal to PR multiplied by PS. Find first PS. PQ square is equal to value of PQ is 12 square. PR is equal to 8 multiplied by PS. What is the 12 square? Square of the 12 is 144 is equal to 8 multiplied by PS. Now PS is equal to 8 multiplied by, transfer there, the divided by 8. That is PS is equal to 8 is equal to 8, 14 is 1, then 18 to 18. That is PS is equal to 18. Now we have to see about the find out RS. There PS is equal to PR plus RS. Then addition postulate there is a segment PR and RS. PS is equal to 18, that is PR is equal to 8, and find out RS. 8 is transfer there, it is minus now, and then 18 minus 8 is equal to RS is equal to 10. That is the example of first. RS is equal to, then find PS, hence PS is equal to 18 and RS is equal to 10. Now their answer. Okay.
व्यवस्थित है.
Here second problem, there is a Mn and Rs is a chord intersect at point D in inner side. Chord Mn and chord Rs intersect at point D. Then first, now if Rd is equal to 15, Ds is equal to 4, Md is equal to 8 and find Dm. Then second you have to find if Rs is equal to 18, Md is equal to 9 and Dn is equal to 8, find Ds. There are two find out the examples in our examples. Now first chord Mn and chord Rs intersect at point D. Apply theorems on two chords intersect inner circle. Intersect inner circle. That is MD multiplied by DM is equal to RD multiplied by DS. RD multiplied by DS. Here MD is now 8. Value of MD is 8. DM find there and RD is equal to 50. DS is equal to K is the given value of MD, RD and DS and find DM. Then Dn is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 and 8 transfer there another side there is a 4. 4 was 8, 4 to the 2 is 8. Then Dn is equal to 15 divided by 2, that is Dn is equal to 7.5. Here is the value of Dn. Then another second example there find ds. Here let's ds is equal to x. Ds is equal to x. Then rs is equal to dr plus ds. Dr plus ds. Then value of rs is equal to 18 is given now. Then find the dr plus ds is equal to x, that is dr is equal to 18 minus x. Dr is equal to 18 minus x. Then md is given, dn is given. Then find the ds value of ds is there. Value of ds is equal to let's x, and here the apply theorem on two chords intersect inner sides. Intersect inner side, that is md multiplied by dn is equal to dr multiplied by ds. Dr multiplied by ds. Here value of md is 9, dn is equal to 8, that is dr is equal to 18 minus x. Then ds is equal to x. Then 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. 8. Then value 18 of x in bracket multiplied by x. X multiplied by this 18 is 18x minus x square. The minus x square is transferred there, that is plus a square plus 18 square is transferred there, minus 18x plus 72 is equal to 0. Is a quadratic equation. Now the factor there 18x, x square is equal to factor there of 18x is 12x minus 6x plus 72 is equal to 0. Then now there are two groups now. The value of x is common there. X minus 12 is minus 6 is common. X minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is the common columns. Then another x minus 6 is equal to 0. The value of x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 6. The value of ds now, then 12 or 6. Let's complete their answer.